evening and welcome to a special vlog here on the channel. Wasn't actually going to do anything this weekend, but you know what I'm like I said at Oakwood, there'll be probably something coming on the channel, and here it is, Blackpool Illuminations. Now I've got a plan in action. I don't know if it's going to pay off. That's the Blackpool Tower, as you can see right in front, all lit up. Looks beautiful, spectacular. The plan is, because it's pretty wedged down here, it's rammed, is to get a tram or a bus, because I've got a £5.50 ticket, which are 24-hour ticket. They're valid on both the bus and the trams here, the normal service trams, up to a station. I don't know what station, but a station that way towards Fleetwood, and then come back in, get a seat and try and film it from public transport. I'll be doing a little bit of walking as well. So there you've got the North Pier. I will be doing a bit of walking and talking as well, but it'd be nice, since I've got the ticket, to actually do something from public transport. But as you could probably gather, it is the kids' holiday. Now, research has it, what I did anyway, that the Manchester kids and the Liverpool kids are sort of in this area. It was actually half term this week just gone, but depends where you are in the country to where is on half term. So unfortunately got one of the vintage trams there. Try and get a few bits and bobs of that as well. Depending on where you are in the country, the kids might be at school, the kids might not be at school. So I'm playing roulette. I've got a wristband for the Pleasure Beach tomorrow, £19.50 for on there. So I'm really hoping that it's not going to be too busy. Depending on how many people's around, I might do a little vlog from there, I might not. But if it's rammed and it's just, I'm not going to bother. I weren't especially planning to do a vlog anyway, but seeing as I'm here, I mean, the main thing is to come up for this in front, the lights. But yeah, that looks spectacular, the tower. So anyway, I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet and pretty laid back. I've been told that I'm not laid back on my vlogs, so I'll do that. So anyway, I'm going to go and try and find some transport to get the hell out of here, and try and do a little bit from either a tram or a bus. But yeah, Blackpool Illuminations. Give it a bit of research. So you've got the tram there. So everything is just rammed. You can see from that, it's, yeah, but what can you do? So yeah, I'm going to go a little bit out of town and get a little bit on board. The prom at the minute, just gone past Pleasant Street Station, and the tram, you might just be able to make it out up there. Didn't actually call there because it was so rammed, so we're going to see how we're going to go on with this one. I'm going to probably walk to the next stop. If I can't get anything on the tram, I'll just walk back. I don't mind, I can bit of exercise, and yeah, I could get a beautiful bit down there with the Ferris wheel all lit up on the Central Pier, Blackpool Tower all lit up, South Pier as well. But yeah, get a few of the Illuminations walking down. Don't actually know where the next tram stop is. Might just be up here. So obviously, if I can't get to somewhere near Fleetwood, then it's pretty irrelevant really to do a sort of bit of footage on the tram. See, the traffic's backed up, so there's no point doing a bus. Happy days, of course. But yeah, we'll see how we go on tomorrow, and I might do a video from the Pleasure Beach, but if not, just look back on my videos. I've done one, I think it were in June over last year, it's not going to be much fun walking around moaning and groaning, and it's not going to be much fun for you watching either. I like to do vlogs, chilled out rather than constantly moaning. We'll have a look at this one. Well, it'll be the next one now. I'm not running for that. I don't run. But yeah, it's all beautifully lit up. So the Illuminations, they used to be 73 days consecutive. They've actually extended it to 80 a few years ago, and these begin in late August up to the second week in November, which in a couple of weeks will be on. But yeah, you can just see from that, don't actually look too bad. Get you a little bit on foot, I think. It was an option I had, got the ticket, but I don't think it's going to work. If it does, I'll obviously get you some stuff out the window, but if you can make that out, got the tower, Ferris wheel, all beautifully lit up. North Pier, Central Pier, South Pier, and a plane going into Blackpool Airport, like aircraft. And before you ask, no, I've never flown into Blackpool Airport. As you can see, I'm now down at the tower. I did a tram, it was very, very busy, so I think the best option is going to be just do things on foot. I think it'll look a lot better. So yeah, what I'll keep doing is turning the camera on and off. There you've got Coral Island right in front. Get you a few of the effects. I've just nipped into Coral Island, as you've seen just back in the video a little bit. For a quick call of nature, it happens, doesn't it? But absolutely wedged in there. So yeah, but these things need to be done. So yeah, what I'm going to keep doing is just switching the camera on and off while I walk the promenade.